another trade here on Forex Trendy 1 hour time frame. Watch the video until the end because I'm gonna give you all the information you need to use this online tool. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you what happened on the Forex market and on Forex Trendy. We're gonna take a look at the 1 hour time frame and which opportunities we can get using this online tool. Before starting, subscribe to my channel not to miss the next videos. If we reach the 1000 subscribers, there will be a gift for my viewers. Click on the bell, leave a like, don't be shy, leave a comment below, let me know what you think, let me know which time frames do you trade. Next videos are gonna be on the 4 hour time frames, just waiting for enough trades to analyze. So the first trade here is on the euro and the Japan yen. We have a flag buy signal, break at 29.14. So after the breakout, the price started to go up. Then we got a nice big sell-off and retesting this upward zone around 28.62. Then we got a false breakout here. Then the price started to go up, reaching the 31.23. So a very nice trade for the hourly time frame. It depends on your strategies and where you put your stop loss. If you put the stop loss too close on to the trend line, you're gonna lose many trades. So it's up to you, to your strategies. It's very important to have a back-tested strategy, so you know exactly what to do in every scenario. British pound and Canadian dollar, we got a rising wedge sell signal, break at 71.22. Was nice. The first breakout was a teaser, and the price retested the previous high here, the very important price structure around 71.57. Then started to go down, reaching the 69.22. So another nice trade here. Let's jump to the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar. We have a falling wedge buy signal, big at 0.472. We got a nice breakout, even though this candle was retesting this 0.442 level. Very important support zone here. Then the price starts to go up, climbing to the 0.607 level. So another good trade. The price action looks pretty good, you know, because we got a nice uptrend. And everything looks so calm, and the price retracing and forming this falling wedge and then continue to go up. So this is a perfect environment to take a long trade. Okay, let's jump to the British pound and the Swissy. So the opposite on the first trade. As you can see, the price action doesn't really look so promising, even though because speculation is very high. You can see on the size of the candles, and in fact the breakout was pretty good, and the price retested this previous low here around 25.80 and then started to lateralize. But this trade is still on, and we'll see how it will end, whether it breaks through and goes up or down. So the Forex market is unpredictable. Let's jump to the British pound and Australian dollar. Flag sell signal, break at 86.72. Price action looks pretty good. In fact, we got this downward movement here and retracement. Breakout was solid. Few spikes retesting the 86.71 level. Then continue to go down, reaching the 84.50. So nice trade, another nice trade. Okay, this is just a small part of the trades. Bear in mind that you will take losers. Okay, if you're gonna take all the signals, you will take losers too. So this is the main reason why you need a strategy or more strategies to trade the forex market, because you can't take all the signals blindly. Okay, this recent Japan yen, we have a triangle buy signal break at 120.23. So price action looks like we got an accumulation zone here between 1935 2018. The price then broke through the line, retested a little bit, and started to go up, reaching the 22.47. I traded around 200 pips, so another good trade. Let's jump to the EURUSD. We have a triangle sell signal break at 15.54. So as you know, we had a very interesting trading week on this pair because of the data from the American economy, and the breakout here was pretty good. Then the price retested the previous high around 15.67, then went down, touching the previous low here around 15.26. We got a little rally, retesting the previous high because of data from the American inflation. So, but we are gonna keep our eyes on this pair, because I'm always looking for the 15.00 target, with the tapering in mind, coming in next month. So it's gonna be interesting. We will see how it develops, and what the price will do, if it breaks through and it explodes, going upward or down. It depends on the data. Let's jump to the USD and the Danish krone. So we got a nice trade. If we look at the price action, it looks pretty good. We got a first bullish impulse, then the retracement around 50% of the initial leg here, and the second leg going up, accumulation zone, and the first breakout was a teaser. The price re-entered back in the fallen wedge, retesting the 43.10 structure. Here the previous highs went up a little bit, trying to break this previous high but failing to, and started to go back down, retesting this previous low here. Very important structure around 42.67. So we'll see what will happen. The price will continue to go up, or if we have just an accumulation zone, we will see if the price will retest this zone between 42.7 and 40.67. So we will see. We will keep an eye on this. Remember, when you are going to trade the exotic pairs, you are gonna find a much larger spread. So bear in mind about the spreads, and it depends on your broker. So for today's everything. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you are using Forex Trendy, which pair do you usually trade? Leave a like if you like the video. See you soon. Bye bye.